Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Tired of messy milk frothing? You need this. Seriously, check out the Healifty dual spout glass creamer pitcher. This little gem is a game changer for your morning coffee. It's not just a milk frothing pitcher, it's your new best friend for perfectly crafted beverages. So many coffee lovers are already raving about it. What makes it so awesome? First, that dual spout design. It's genius. When you're pouring, you get this incredibly smooth, controlled stream, whether you're adding steamed milk to your latte or just a splash of cream to your black coffee. No more drips, no more spills, just pure pouring perfection. Feel that satisfying glide as your latte art takes shape. And the size. This is made for single servings, perfect for that personal espresso or a mini cappuccino. It's so compact, it feels custom-made for your hand, and it stores away so easily. Imagine making that perfect shot of espresso directly into this little guy, then adding your frothed milk. It's like having a mini barista station right on your counter. The glass feels substantial, not flimsy, giving you confidence with every pour. It's incredibly versatile. Use it for frothing milk, sure, but it's also a super cute coffee cup for your single-serve espresso. Think about it, one product, multiple uses, less clutter. It's way better than those bulky plastic pitchers that are hard to clean and just feel meh. This glass pitcher feels premium and makes your coffee ritual feel so much more special. So if you want to elevate your home coffee game and enjoy beautifully made drinks with effortless ease, you absolutely have to try the Healifty dual spout glass creamer pitcher. Your taste buds will thank you. If this helped, hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.